Welcome to our culinary journey through the rich and flavorful history of biryani, a dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions around the world. The origin of biryani is as rich and layered as the dish itself. The word biryani is derived from the Persian words birian, meaning fried before cooking, and birinj, meaning rice. This hints at its roots in Persian cuisine. The story of biryani begins in Persia, where a similar dish known as pilaf, or pilau, was popular. This method of cooking rice with meat, spices, and vegetables made its way to the Indian subcontinent through the Mughal Empire in the 16th century. It was during the Mughal rule in India that biryani truly evolved. The Mughals were known for their opulent feasts and love for aromatic, flavorful dishes. They combined Persian culinary techniques with Indian spices, giving birth to the biryani we know today. Biryani's unique flavor comes from a blend of spices such as saffron, cardamom, cloves, and bay leaves, which are layered with marinated meat and basmati rice. The dish is then slow cooked to perfection, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Over time, biryani spread across India, adapting to regional tastes and ingredients. In Hyderabad, you find the famous Hyderabadi biryani, known for its spicy kick and use of saffron. In Kolkata, the biryani includes potatoes and eggs, reflecting the local palate. Biryani has transcended cultural and regional boundaries, becoming a beloved dish for all occasions. From street food vendors to royal banquets, biryani is a symbol of celebration and comfort. Today, biryani continues to bring people together, offering a taste of history in every bite. Its journey from the Persian kitchens to the heart of Indian cuisine is a testament to the rich tapestry of cultural exchange and culinary innovation. Join us next time as we explore more culinary legends and the stories behind the dishes we love. Until then, happy eating. Thanks for watching. If you love exploring the wonders of history as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an adventure into the past. Join us on this incredible journey through time. Let's make history together, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, history buffs!